This video is about the Carolina chickadee that spends a lot of time in the bird garden. It likes to bathe and perch and sing, even nest nearby. So we've captured so many clips of this cute little bird. We want to share them with you, and here goes. The Carolina chickadee, a small gregarious bird, very brave and loud. Striking in color, black, white, gray, often seen at the feeder. It's common as a year-round resident all over the eastern United States, west to central Texas, south to central Florida, a year-round resident. John James Audubon named this bird while he was in South Carolina. He noticed the curious and intelligent Carolina chickadee, very similar to its closely related cousin, the black-capped chickadee. Typically a more northern range, there is some overlap, and where they overlap, they do hybridize, and the hybrids can learn each other's song. I'm familiar with birders in those areas just referring to the birds as chickadees, not bothering to make the distinction between the two. The Carolina chickadee really enjoys suet and sunflower seeds, as well as some other seeds if you're trying to attract them to your backyard. Also, have a nest box. They'll readily take to a nest box that is safely positioned and protected from predators, perhaps with a guard. They're a delight to have in your viewing area, so I do encourage you to try and attract these birds. Probably they're naturally occurring already in your viewing area if you're within their range. The oldest known Carolina chickadee was at least 10 years, 11 months old when it was recaptured during a banding operation in West Virginia, where it was originally banded in 1963. If you have any questions or comments about the Carolina chickadee, please let me know in the comments below. We read those things. If you like this video, be sure and hit the like button. That shows engagement with our viewing audience, which helps the channel grow. If you've not subscribed to the Bird Garden YouTube channel and you enjoy bird watching information, especially attracting them to your viewing area or backyard, we're uploading new content regularly, usually several times a week. We'd love to have you as a subscriber on the channel. If you know someone else who really likes bird watching, nature in their backyard, similar things that make your life better and healthier, share this across your social media. That's how the channel really grows, and we can bring some new friends in here. I hope you have an opportunity to get out there and see some Carolina chickadees in your backyard. Until then, I hope you enjoy these. If you've not subscribed to the Bird Garden YouTube channel and you enjoy watching birds, especially attracting them to your backyard, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. We're uploading content nearly every day, always something fresh, something interesting, occasionally something educational. If you've got a request for the type of bird content you'd like to see, leave it in the comment below. We read those things. Thanks for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.